Hey guys, over the next 4 weeks we're going to do a myth genre study unit. So you're going to learn in the first week what a myth is. You're going to learn about all the difference in elements and characteristics that make up a myth. The next week we're going to learn about how a story in a book is a myth. You're going to read Pandora's Box in 2 different versions, and you're going to be able to identify the elements of a myth in Pandora's Box. The third week, you're going to learn to locate the elements of a myth while performing a reader's theater. That'll be a lot of fun because you'll get to break up in different groups, and then you'll perform your readers' theaters to each other. We'll do the Midas Touch, the Myth of Icarus, and Pandora's Box. And then finally, the last week, you'll get to learn how to write your own myth. So if you want to be like Rick Riordan, you'll get to practice that week on creating your own myth. So are you excited, guys? Get ready, because if you're not, you should be, because this is going to be a lot of fun.